Hi friends, today we'll discuss about some Europe accounts. So in Europe you can see two types of accounts, sole account and joint account. Bank account in the name of one individual, this is called sole account. If bank account is opened in the name of two or more, then it is called joint account. So how to operate these accounts? Sole account, only one option, self, operated by himself. If it is joint account, mode of operation, we have different mode of operations. One is either or survivor, means either both can operate, or if something happens to one customer, another customer can continue the account. Anyone or survivor. Anyone means if both are alive, anyone can operate. If something happens to one customer, another customer can continue this account. Jointly means both has to operate this account. So now we will discuss about ME3 account. See, this is ME3 is like an operative account. You can deposit cash and withdraw cash from this account, but while withdraw you have a notice period. You keep on deposit into the ME3 account, but when you want to withdraw you have to give 90 days notice to the bank. In my example, so I have deposited some account into ME3 account. I have requested to withdraw money from my ME3 account on 16th October. But actual withdrawal will happen on 16th January 2021 because you have to give 90 days notice to the bank. Express account. Express accounts are no frill and low cost accounts. Normally if you open an account, you will get an international debit card, you will get a mobile banking, you will get an internet banking, you will get different facilities. But these express accounts are for the low category customers. Will have a minimum facilities and free of charges, no charges. Minimum facility like in a month you can withdraw 4 times and you will be issued with one checkbook or debit card. Other facilities will not be given to the express account. What is investment account? Other than your normal operative account, you want to do a trading, buying and selling of shares, equities, mutual funds, then you have to open an investment account. So whatever earning happens from this account, it is taxable. Now we will discuss about fixed term account. Fixed term account is for a fixed term for a fixed amount. So you open a 10,000 euros for 6 months. If your rate of interest is 2%, for entire 6 months you will get 2% rate of interest. Fixed term account. So what is move money? Move money means transfer of money from one customer account to another customer account. This is called move money. Moving money from one account to another account. It may be from bank to bank, it may be from customer to customer. Customer can transfer to his own account or he can transfer to third party account also. What is future dated payment? Future dated payment means today is current date is 16th October. You want to do a future dated transaction 1st January 2021. You can request today, but these transactions will be executed on 1st January 2021. So all the validations will happen on 1st January 2021. Whether balance is there in the account or not, is there any charges for this transaction, whether payment limits, everything will be verified on 1st January. 16th October just will receive the request only. What is PEP? PEP is politically exposed person in Europe. If you want to open an account, if you want to onboard a customer, we'll ask like whether you are a PEP, yes or no. If it is no, then you can continue your process of onboarding a customer. If he is a PEP, then you have to capture below details. If he is a politically exposed person, what is the title, what is the role he is playing, what is the level, whether it is a district level, state level, country level, and from which date he is holding that position, and what is the present status. And not only he himself as a PEP, but he has a relationship, relatives are PEP, then also you have to capture these details. What is the relation with the customer, and what is the title is holding in political party, level, date, present status, you have to capture while onboarding a customer. What is BIC? BIC is Bank Identification Code. In my example, you can see I mentioned a BIC. With this BIC, you can identify bank code, BBMA, MT is Malta country, M3 is location code, and last 3 digits will be branch code. If you have same location, you have a multiple branches, you can specify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called BIC. IBAN, International Bank Account Number. So I have given an example. So DK is country, Denmark. 95 is checksum. 95 checksum means to eliminate data entry mistakes and duplicate records, will use the checksum. Then 2000 is bank information, and remaining part is account number. To do a international transfer, you need BIC IBAN, valid BIC IBAN, then only you can do a international fund transfer. Thank you.